15. Five, four, three, two, one, hit it. 120, right 6 loose and long, 120. Then left 5 plus, very long. Opens and tightens back to 6 long. Into crest, 150. Then left 6 into stay right over crest, 100. Then care, right 5 plus loose, tightens 5 minus long. Into left 6 extra long over narrow bridge. Then right 5 plus very long, opens extra long, 250. Then left 5 plus long, opens very long, 180. Then right 5 very long, into left 5 plus, into right 5 very long again, into double caution left 5 opens, so right 5 very long here, into double caution left 5 opens, then left 6 over long crest, into right 6 over crest, very long, 400. Stay flat over that crest, 250, chicane, right entry. Now 350. Sorry. Flat long crest 400. Then right 5 minus. After the right 5 minus is 400. Left 6 over small crest, 200. Then right 6 plus over crest, 150. And right 6 over crest cut long, 400. Then flat long crest, 250. Then right 6 plus over small crest, 550. Way up there is a care crest, into right 5 plus long, 70. Then left 6 plus over ruts into small crest, 50. Then right 6 long over small crest, 70. Left 6 tightens 5 minus over rocks, 70. Then small crest, 200. Right 6 over small crest over rocks long, 400. Right 6 plus long over small crest, slowing 70, right 5 minus long.
Right 6?
Yeah, right 5, slowing 70, okay. Right 5 minus long. Then left 6 long and kinks over 250. Then left 6 plus over small crest, into right 6, 200. Then chicane right entry. Then 300. Then long small crest. Into left 6 long. And kinks over 450. Then care small crest into left 6, into right 6 over big jump, then ruts over 70, and right 6 plus, 100. Then left 6 plus long, braking 70, right 4 plus long, 70. Then right 6, 100. To care, turn right 3 minus over small crest, over ruts, unseen. Then ruts over 30. And right 5 minus over crest. Into left 4 no cut, tightens. Into right 6 over crest. Into left 4 minus over crest, tightens. Into right 3 minus. And left 3. And right 4 plus opens over crest, long and down. 30, left 5. Then braking left 5 short, off camber, into right 4 minus. Then small crest, into left 4 plus 50. Then small crest 120. Small jump 120. Then long crest 180. And braking right 3 plus. 70. Left 6 plus 50. Then right 6 plus 70. And right 5. Into left 6, 30. Left 5, 70. Jump 100. Left 6 loose, 50. Then care left 6 short into right 6 long, 50. And left 6 plus over small crest into right 6 plus off camber, left 6 now, 50, left 4 minus, 120. Left 4 minus, 120. Then care small crest, 20. Right 5 tightens to 4 minus, 50. And right 5 plus long off camber, 150. Then left 5 plus, 600. Kink, long small crest 100. Then left 5 plus over crest, down and deceptive. Then right 6 plus 300.
Fuck, I did again, sorry.
Right 6 plus now 300. Then left 3 plus, stay out over water. And crest 350.
It's dried up.
What?
It's dried up.
Okay. Small crest 70 up there. Then jump 150. And care small crest 20, right 3 minus long. 100, flat to finish. Nice job, bud.
Thank you.
About 8 seconds fast.